This is the Z-Port security camera. It has a number of very interesting and innovative features. These are just cords and things. This is the camera itself. Comes well packed. It's a solid, very solid feeling hefty unit. I'm not going to undo everything right now. The battery lasts for approximately a year, and it will tell you when it needs to be recharged. This can be mounted inside or outside. It hooks up to your wireless network. You can download an app to your phone where you can see what the camera sees. You can communicate back and forth to someone that the camera sees. You can hear them talking. They can hear you. You can say, hey, the police has been called, or may I help you? Makes it sound like you're home. It offers a number of features. Some of those are, it's a full high-def camera. It detects humans. It's a heat sensor. And of course, it's wireless. There's the two-way audio, which I already mentioned. Full color night vision, et cetera, et cetera. Basically, it's a real nice, solid little unit. I'm going to be excited to mount it out on my carport so that I can see people when they come to my house and be able to talk to them. Even if I'm not here, I can do it through my phone. So I haven't tried it yet, but everything looks really good. And I'm kind of excited to get out and see what it does.